everyone! Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to a captivating region where the traditions of its inhabitants reveal astonishing perspectives on their way of life.
Hey there, wow. It's amazing how these communities can turn the ordinary into something that transcends its immediate purpose. What are we going to discover today?
We'll dive into the social practices of the Lapexaños, a group whose relationship with their natural and social environment is expressed through ceremonies rich in meaning. These ceremonies range from courtship rituals to rain walks, all infused with symbolism and resilience.
That sounds so fascinating. Can you give me an example of how these ceremonies manifest in their daily lives?
Absolutely! In the mountainous region of Lapexa, the Lapexaños have captivated outside observers with their unique way of perceiving time, nature, and community. They've woven an intricate system of customs deeply rooted in their geographical environment, yet universal in their quest to overcome life's adversities.
Wow, that sounds incredible. What practices or rituals stand out in their interaction with the environment? I bet they're really different from what we're used to.
One of the most striking rituals occurs during the rainy season. The Lapexaños have developed a symbiotic connection with the rain. During heavy downpours, they embark on ritual walks through a sacred space they call Centro, where merchants offer essential goods.
And how do they prepare to face these weather challenges? Do they have any special gear or something?
They protect themselves with portable structures known as brismalos, which symbolize adaptation and resilience against nature. Imagine them as little shelters they carry, almost like an extension of their culture.
That's so cool. So it's like they're carrying their home on their backs? It makes me think of how some nomadic cultures have to constantly adapt.
Exactly! Another key location is a recreational center called Los Lagos, where one of the most significant rituals, courtship, takes place.
What makes it so special within this community? Is there a particular tradition that goes along with it?
The courtship process is structured and unfolds in various locations, with Los Lagos being a favorite. This ritual requires the interaction of two individuals, traditionally a man and a woman, though it has evolved to include more diversity. They tend to idealize each other, facilitating that initial bond.
That sounds so romantic. But how does this relationship solidify over time? Is there a ceremony that marks it?
Yes! They have ceremonial meetings called sakdai, where the groom offers tributes to the bride, aiming to build trust and mutual affection. It's a process that strengthens their emotional connection.
Wow, it's like each meeting is a mini wedding on their journey. Is there another ritual that holds equal significance?
Another significant aspect is their food ritual surrounding a dark, bitter drink called cuahuitle.
A ritual around a drink? That reminds me of how in many cultures, sharing a drink can symbolize friendship or unity.
Exactly! Cuahuitle is not just a beverage, it's a means to establish social connections in an act called convivio, symbolizing hospitality and shared reflection. It's as if every sip tells a story.
So cuahuitle acts as a bond that strengthens social fabric. That's so profound. Is there a funny or curious story related to this ritual?
During their festivities, the Lapexaños adorn their streets with lights and colors, participating in processions accompanied by local music groups.
That sounds like an amazing party. What significance do these celebrations hold? Is it just for fun, or is there something deeper?
These celebrations reinforce their collective identity and act as a bulwark against the erosion of essential traditions, preserving their cultural memory. It's a way to remember who they are and where they come from.
And there's also a subgroup that moves quickly on contraptions known as wheeled boards. That sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie.
The Lapexaños place great importance on caring for their natural environment, selecting herbs and vegetables for food and healing practices that blend scientific knowledge with ancestral beliefs.
That reflects a symbolic relationship with nature. How do they integrate these traditions with a practical approach? I imagine it must be a challenge.
For the Lapexaños, nature is an essential component of their existence. These practices serve as a reminder that their life and geography are inseparable. It's as if every plant and every ritual are woven into the same fabric.
It's admirable how they maintain that balance between tradition and modernity. I wonder if there's something we can learn from them in our daily lives.
We've explored the diverse practices and rituals that define life in Lapexa. Every daily action transforms into a gesture filled with meaning that reinforces their collective identity.
Lapexa isn't just a physical place. It's a testament to how people build a sense of belonging and purpose through their customs. It's truly inspiring.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of the Lapexaños. We'll catch you in the next episode to uncover more surprising stories. Until next time.
Can't wait. Bye for now.